Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Phonics with Ritika. Today we are gonna to learn about CK and K, the ending sound of k, जिसको हम क भी बोलते हैं. CK versus K. Many children used to get confused between these two. कि if the word end with k, so what will come? It will end with CK or end with K. Let's learn. Use CK after a short vowel sound. CK after a short vowel sound. For example, b, a, k, bag. N, a, k, neck. A and a is a short vowel. And we usually add CK after the vowel. CK after the vowel. Vowel A, E, I, O, U. Let me give you a few more examples. B, A, K, bag. N, A, K, neck. R, O, K, rock. L, A, K, luck. Now, use of K. We use K at the end after a long vowel sound. Use K after a long vowel sound or diphthong after a diphthong or a consonant. For example, bike. Bike, in this I is long vowel. Long vowel sound I. Look, look. Here diphthong is there. O, long O. And milk, milk. And consonant L before K. Fine. We use K at the end if there is long vowel sound, diphthong and the consonant. I hope it is clear to you and it will be useful for you. Please do like, share, comment and follow the video. Thank you.